Top AI models in 2026. Everyone wants to know the same thing. Which AI is the best in 2026? The answer is surprisingly simple. There is no single winner anymore. The AI race has split into multiple categories. Different models dominate different jobs. Some are built for coding. Some are built for reasoning. Some are built for speed. Some focus on affordability. And some are pushing the limits of open source technology. Today, we're breaking down the AI models that actually matter. A few years ago, one company seemed untouchable. Today, the competition is closer than ever. Multiple AI labs are releasing powerful models at an incredible pace, and the gap between first place and second place keeps getting smaller. So instead of asking which AI is the best overall, let's single quotes s find out which AI wins each category. First, reasoning. This is where AI tackles complex problems. Research. Analysis. Planning. And multi-step thinking. Right now, Anthropic's Claude family is widely considered one of the strongest options for advanced reasoning. It consistently performs at the highest level on difficult tasks. If your work involves deep thinking and complex problem solving, this is a model worth paying attention to. Next is coding, and this category is one of the most competitive. Google's Gemini models continue to impress developers. OpenAI's latest GPT models remain among the most widely used coding assistants in the world. And Anthropic's Claude models power many popular AI development tools. The reality is that there is no clear loser here. The best choice depends on your workflow, your budget. And the tools you already use. Now let's talk about speed. For many users, speed matters more than tiny differences in intelligence. You want answers immediately, you want current information, and you want a smooth experience. Models designed for real-time access and fast responses shine in this category. They help users research faster, make decisions quicker, and stay updated with the latest information. Then there is value. Because not everyone needs the most powerful AI available. And honestly, most people don't. What most users need is strong performance at a reasonable cost. This is where value-focused models stand out. They deliver impressive results without premium pricing for students, freelancers, small businesses, and everyday users. This category often provides the best overall experience. And finally, open source. This might be the most exciting category of all. Open source AI gives users more control, more flexibility, and the ability to run models on their own hardware. Every year, these models get closer to matching the performance of the biggest commercial systems. What looked impossible just a few years ago is quickly becoming reality. But here's the biggest takeaway: the AI race did not produce one champion. It produced multiple champions. Each one is optimized for a different purpose. That means the smartest question is no longer which AI is the best. The smarter question is which AI is best for what I need. And that answer depends entirely on your goals. If you want the strongest reasoning, your choice may be different from someone who needs coding assistance. If you want the fastest responses, your choice may be different from someone focused on cost. And if you care about customization and control, open source models may be the perfect fit. The AI landscape is moving faster than ever. New models are appearing every month. New benchmarks are constantly changing. The rankings and the competition is only getting more intense. If you want a full breakdown of which AI model is best for developers, students, creators, businesses, and everyday users, make sure you subscribe, because that's exactly what we're covering next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. *.